Hi there, I'm Christo. I'm the Global Artistic Director of Curlisto. Today I have here Leila, which I'm going to be teaching her how to style her own hair. So, the first thing that you need to have is your blueprint of your tools. So the most important, I have here your prescription how to style your hair step by step, but the most important is to have all the tools. Number one is to have clips to help you section your hair. Number two is to have a wide tooth comb, very easy to detangle the curls. You don't want to be using a regular brush, you want to use something with a finger comb like this. Then we have your 3 styling tools that you're going to be using. Actually, once a little conditioner, the repair cream. The repair cream is to prep your curls, how to actually stay moist and how to easily detangle your hair when you style it. It will make it easier for you and makes the product to take better. Then we have the Lotion Plus. The Lotion Plus will hold with 100% humidity, but now going into the summer, you want something that's going to structure the curl more, so we're going to add a little bit of Control 2 gel. The Control 2 gel is also a very good anti-frizz product, has a super hold, but the beauty of it, keep the hair nice and soft. You're going to see when you style your own hair how it's going to feel. After you finish applying, of course, what do you need? You need a good blow dryer with a good diffuser. Okay, so this is all your tools you need. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's rock and roll. Okay, Leila, here we are. 5 sections to start. You have the top, side by side, the back. It's 2 sections. I did the center area by the crown and the bottom layer. So you have 5 sections to start. Each section will be very easy for you to handle it as long as you split it. So you're going to be taking 2 sections at a time, one of the big sections and one each side. I'll do this section, then you want to do the other section. Again, we're going to be using the formula that we showed you before, the Lotion Plus and the Control 2 gel. So I'm doing a quarter size lotion times size of the Control 2 gel. You mix it, put your head a little bit to this side, and that's how you comb it through. You see how I comb it through, like each section I saturate it, and then just kind of like split it a little bit, subsection it, comb it, shake it a little bit, and then you move on. Comb it, shake, comb it, shake. We already put the repair cream in each section as a little bit conditioner, but that's how you do it. Alright, let me see you doing it yourself. Now you're going to do this section, and you're going to keep moving. Each section you're going to do the same. Alright? You're going to be splitting the big sections to at least 2 and the subsection into 3. Good. Work it through the whole section first. Don't subsection just yet. Work it through. And subsection now a little bit. Horizontal. Yep. And shake it. And then next one. Comb it. Comb it. Comb it. Shake it. The next one. Same way. Comb it. Comb it. And shake it. Now scratch the whole thing up. Okay, perfect. Okay, so great skill styling right now, excellent. I like the way you do it. Now diffusing the hair is very, very important. You need these clips. Remember the clips I showed you before that was sectioning your hair as well. Open it 1/2 inch, slice it into your hair and do the same thing back to back all the way to the crown. There you go, you can try it right behind me. Behind this one, just go in, slice it, and go in, let it go, excellent. And the right, another one right behind it, right here. Just by the crown, slice it in, very good. And we're gonna do one this side, and then you're gonna do one on that side, and that's it. We put about 5 clips all together. Go in, right there. There you go. Perfect. Good. Diffusing is very important as well. It's very simple as well. What you need to do is to put your hair tilt to the side like that. Diffuse one side, bring the hair from the back, continue diffuse, and then flip it to the other side, and that's how you diffuse your hair. Go ahead. Amazing, your curl looks so good. But when I get rid of all these little flyaways that you have, I'm gonna be using the Aruli paste. The Aruli paste is one of the most important finishing products. Then we're gonna do a little bit of the structure spray, which is the finishing hairspray. That's gonna keep the structure of the curl. And then of course the glow and shine. And glow and shine, that's exactly what it says, glows and shine. So I'm gonna do a little bit, I'm gonna show you, and then you're gonna repeat it yourself. So I'm gonna do like tiny bit, like a half finger tip. I'm gonna work it in my hand like that, and I'm gonna take your hair like I'm gonna take it to a ponytail. Put your hair back for me, like that, and I'm gonna kind of like paste those baby hairs down nice and flat, right? Then take it like I'm gonna take it to the ponytail. By the way, this is how you put your curls when you go to sleep. If you're gonna maintain it the next day and clip them up, and the next morning you just, you know, put a shower cap so your curls, when you release them, is perfect the next day. You do the same thing, a little bit paste, a little bit structure spray, put your hair back, lightly, and of course a little bit glow and shine. And you have it, this is beautiful, your curl looks great, alright? But I want to see you repeat it, I want to see you doing it, alright? So go ahead. Okay, so here we are, beautiful hair, Layla. This is your prescription to take home.
Yes, it was very educational. There's like a little thing, little tips I was missing, and definitely learned how to do it at home myself.
Exactly. Alright, so even you've been a client here, you came to the salon, but you're missing a point how to style your hair very well, the best thing is to get a style lesson, step by step. We help you style, and you style your own, and we watch you doing it like Layla did today. And this is how you're gonna get the best styling out of your curls.